Hi everyone, I'm Annie, an IT Success Manager working with and for OpenSolar, and let me welcome you to the very first episode of Tech Talks, our brand new series where we chat with brilliant minds behind our platform and talk about how technology shapes the future of solar industry. We're starting big today. Joining us is our CEO, Andrew Birch, and CTO Adam Pryor, live from the Sydney office. Thank you, Adam and Birchy, for being here and helping us launch Tech Talks. So, to get things started, every big innovation starts with a spark of inspiration, right? What inspired OpenSolar to bring AI into its mission of accelerating solar adoption?
So I'll maybe go first. So obviously we started the company to help contractors, the solar pros, build their business and accelerate the S-curve. And so that's all been about technology to make their lives easier and help them be more profitable, more efficient, and help businesses scale. So AI has really been a part of that, an important new part of that. And we saw the opportunity for AI to really automate pieces of the journey that we don't think pros necessarily have to do. So if we can take pieces of the design journey, pieces of the operations journey, we can automate some of the financing and hardware ordering and just do the kind of administrative piece that costs them time and money, that we can help them scale faster. And that would be good for them, good for the S-curve. So that was kind of the genesis.
Yeah, and for me, we've been experimenting with how to bring AI into the product for a long time. But the moment that my aha moment was when we started talking to Ada and seeing it really respond in a way that we knew was going to help pros actually get their jobs done. So one of these particular moments was talking to Ada, asking to create a project for us, and then having Ada guide you through the different questions or the different pieces of information that you should be feeding in to kind of achieve that task. And that was the moment where we thought, this is really ready. We need to bring this in.
But one of the biggest challenges in the solar industry is customer acquisition, getting more people to go solar while keeping costs down. So how does AI and tools like Ada actually help make that happen?
So I think a number of different ways can help with acquisition. So firstly, at the top of the funnel, I think instant designs and faster information opens up avenues to new ways you can place this solar experience in front of customers. So if you imagine that instant designs can sit on a high volume retail website, that could be AI designs that give immediate data to a customer on how much solar they can get on their roof in that area. So it enables new ways of marketing. And then in the sales journey, you've got the automation that gets information faster to inquiries. We know from experience that the time from inquiry to proposal is a direct relationship with sales conversion. So faster equals higher conversion, equals more sales, lower acquisition cost.
And I think the speed is obviously really important, but at the same time, I think that AI can also bring a lot of extra quality and precision to that process. So yes, you want to be responding quickly, but if you're making mistakes or you're not going to the sort of the level that you need to get to make sure that you're going to get the right price point for a project or whatever it is. And so I think that the AI can actually help that. So you're trying to get faster, but you're also doing the extra work to make sure that you're also delivering quality as well.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, it's really a numbers game, but I'm so glad to hear that we're here not only for quantity, but also for quality, making sure that our platform is accurate, efficient, just like the same. So AI is moving so fast and it's exciting, but also something that needs to be done with care. So how do you balance all this innovation with maintaining reliability and trust for the solar professionals who rely on our OpenSolar every single day?
I mean, I think for us, we've got to obviously continue to build the highest quality product we can deliver. And with and without AI, that's the same. AI is kind of a tool that's part of the OpenSolar product suite. So yeah, that quality has to be a focus for us. I also think just this remembering that this is a human-driven journey. Like the AI is an assistant to you. It augments your process. It doesn't replace it.
Yeah, and you'll notice right through the product, the AI is sort of helping you along that journey, but it shouldn't be getting in your way. So like with automated designs, they're available. And when the imagery is available and that's those designs come through, then you can use them and that can speed up that whole process. But if it's not available at that location, then it's not going to get in your way. And similarly, if you want Ada to perform tasks for you or ask it questions, it's there. But only if it's going to be used.
Yeah. And I'd say this is a journey. So, I mean, my recommendation would be for pros to just get started. try auto design, have it sitting side by side with your current journey and see if those automations work for you. We're seeing in areas where there's good imagery, you're getting 70, 80, 60 to 80% kind of range of successful jobs. And that is great for your augmenting your speed and design process. See how it works for you and also give us feedback. I mean, you mentioned there's a cool new trick that Ada can do to learn, right?
Yeah, I mean, so we ask Ada periodically what pros are asking for. And so we get responses out of that. So, and many of those can go straight into our roadmap. So yeah, if you are communicating with Ada and you put in a suggestion, the product team will receive that. So yeah, don't hold back.
So thank you again, Birchy and Adam. That's a wrap for in sharing your insights. It's amazing to see how OpenSolar isn't just imagining the future of solar, because we're here, we're building it right now.
That's what we're trying to do. Thank you, Annie. Great to see it all.
Thank you.